I'm going to show you how to apply hot wax, as many of you I see that are still struggling with getting your application. As you can see in my pot, I have a lot of hot wax melted down. For those of you that only have a small amount in the bottom of your pot, you're not going to get as much on your spatula. When people say you get so much wax in one scoop, that's because I generally have more than I need in my pot. That's not going to affect any of the wax if you don't use it that day, because you can switch your heater off, let it go hard in the heater, and then when you're ready to use it again, you just switch it back on and melt it all down again in the same process. Once I've got my wax on the spatula, you can see I'm twizzle because it will stop it from dripping. I then place a little bit of the wax where I want to start.